Hey everyone, welcome back to our series 12 Languages, 12 Months. This week, I'm embarking on a fascinating journey to visit a unique Japanese family. We are heading to Kamikatsu, Japan's first zero-waste town. That's right. This town became world famous due to its commitment to recycling and sustainable living.
Now we're on our way to Kamikatsu to visit Terumi's family. Quite excited, going to Japanese, inner countryside. It's gonna be a big change from Osaka. So let's drive on, eh? Alright guys, we are in Naruto. Yep, there's a city called Naruto, and we're going through the Naruto tunnel right there. Check it out. That's so funny.
Has returned to the Hidden Leaf Village!
Alright guys, I've finally made it to Kamikatsu city here in Japan. So this city is famous for being the world's first zero-waste town, and this is why I'm here. I'm here to find out their secrets. How do they recycle their garbage? And, maybe we could learn one or two things from them, okay? And over there, Terumi-san, who is our host for the next 2 days, is going to teach me a little bit about recycling and also introduce me to her family. So let's go and meet her.
We've just arrived in Kamikatsu. Our host, Terumi-san, has graciously invited us to spend 3 days with her family to understand how they live sustainably.
Terumi-san,はい、こんにちは。はい、始めましてよろしくお願いします。景色、とても美しい。
今夏のシーズンだから川も遊べると思う。
どこでできるよ？
川が大きいのがあるからそこであなたを泳ぐ。
その喫茶店はTerumi-さんの喫茶店ですよね？
そうです。今が11年目。
若い。短いのSo excited to be here, guys, and Terumi-san is a great host. I know because I've heard it already. We are finally at Terumi-san's house. Let's check it out. Alright guys, I'm going to introduce you to Terumi's and Takuya's house. Follow me. So Japanese, right? You feel like you're in a movie, right? Ninja style.
As we explore Terumi-san's home, you can see the harmony between traditional Japanese living and modern sustainability practices. From the architecture to the daily routines, everything is designed with minimal impact on the environment.
Okay, so here you have like the playroom for Tsukuru, their son, alright? And here is the sweet bedroom where we actually stayed. And as you can see, we have futon. This is traditional beds, mattresses in Japan. And it's so sweet. Nandeかな
私わからない。
そう一日中朝から午後まで夜まで何をするの？
でもだいたい朝起きて、でその後息子の学校の用意をする。で行けるときは散歩にレオと一緒に行くでしょ。
レオ
で9時ぐらいにカフェに来て、でカフェでクッキングのサポートしたりとか、またメールとかする。で午前中はあとカフェにいるかな。でその後午後はミーティングが多い。で私はカフェだけじゃなくてイノもやってるし、あとは地域の仕事でも全部面白いから大丈夫。で夜は息子をまた迎えに行って て、で、火曜日とか木曜日はサッカーの練習があるから。
拓也さんと何をするの？
夜。
ホビーで。
彼がサッカーだっけ？私はそんなにあんまり分かんないけど。
仕事だけや。
Dinner at Terumi-san's cafe isn't just a meal, it's an experience. We discuss what Kamikatsu means to each member of her community, uncovering what drives their commitment to zero waste.
31! 最近見た
ディナーありがとう。とても美味しかった。本当に。ありがとうね。
別に神勝って場所だけじゃなくて、多分こうやっていろんな人がコネクトするとか、それが面白いし、神勝の可能性だと思うから、神勝って何かって言ったらもうコネクションとか、そのリレーションシップとか、つながることって多分言うと思う。
私もそう思います。
白い一緒にこう育ててもらってるからファミリーって感じが大きい。だから一個のハウスかな。
でも隣の町、もうほとんど同じじゃないか。
だってこんな風に結構いろんなところから人が来るところ町だから、なんか多様性を割と、が生まれてるような感じがするかな。
どうです
かな。And Seth, I have a question for you guys. What is I know?
So it's actually pronounced Ino, which means to return home in the local dialect. So when you want to go home, you say Ino. And the idea of that was that we create a place for our guests, but also for local people to feel at home. So like Mayumi-san was talking a lot about being at home. And we hope you have this feeling after you leave as well.
I'm already at home. What are you talking about? I'm not leaving. We were so surprised. Like we arrived today, first day, boom, Mexican team here already. They beat us. So.
We're happy to have you.
Thank you.
And inspired by your project.
Well, I'm inspired by your project.
Day 2 begins with a hands-on experience, picking tea leaves.
Alright guys, we are here at Dachi-san's tea plantation. As you can see, it's huge and it takes forever. And I'm here to help out and understand a bit better, what makes tick people here in Kamikatsu. Alright, I'm a bit late now. Let me get back to work. 日本語でなんて言うのこれ。お茶 leaves お茶
作業お茶摘み
お茶摘みはい綺麗な本当に綺麗
彼から聞いたんやけどいろんな国の言葉を勉強してるんでねいろんな国の言葉を
そうまあ毎月違うの国いてことはお勉強して、
アジアが
疲れたけど面白いな楽しい
インドネシア、何やったかななんか挨拶の言葉知ってるよ
何が
スラマパギ
スラマパギテレマカシありがとうテレマカシ
Tea cultivation is one of Kamikatsu's main commercial activities, and it's incredible to see how this tradition supports the local economy while remaining eco-friendly.
It's been like 2 hours picking, tea leaves, and My basket is not even full. Those guys already did 2 baskets. And I'm using those shoes here. So those are very traditional Japanese shoes that people use in the mountain, mountain terrain. America 行ったことあるか
2週間ぐらい。
2週間ぐらい
3週間。
3週間だけ
2回行ったこと。
あ、そう2回
2回行ったことある。
私の国はフランス
フランスは、
うん
フランス2週間、
2週間
はい、旅行しました。
あ、そうFrom picking tea leaves to drinking them. Oh my god, this is the best feeling after picking leaves for 2 hours.
At the Tea Fermentation Center, we witnessed the delicate process that turns these hand-picked leaves into the tea that Kamikatsu is famous for. It's a perfect example of how tradition and sustainability coexist here. Now, we are heading to Kamikatsu's Zero Waste Center, the heart of the town's environmental efforts. Here, waste is sorted into 45 categories, a meticulous process that ensures almost nothing goes to the landfills.
First, だいたいこんな風に一つのカゴにいっぱいバーっていろいろうちは入れてます。これはうちの場合ね。で、ここに全部何がどこに行くかって書いてあるから、例えばこれだったら、
ボトルなんだ。
そうね。ボトルは3種類あるの。
3種類。ちょっと待って。これ。
Terumi-san explains the recycling process to me, highlighting the town's dedication to reducing waste. It's fascinating to see how every resident plays a role in this ambitious goal.
She's just given me a test, and I have to be able to put it myself. That looks like this, right? What do you guys think? Looks like the picture right here. So,
はい。
その瓶な、ここ?
Yes.
こっち? Yeah, よかった。
正解です。
Kamikatsu is a pioneer in waste management, aiming to be completely zero waste. The community diligently sorts waste into 45 categories for recycling.
It's remarkable. Like, we have maybe 2 or 3 back home. They have 45 ways to recycle garbages. So it's insane.
On our final day, we join Terumi-san's family in their daily routines.
We're here in Kamikatsu listening to American hip-hop. Takuya, give it up. Woo!
From morning coffee
Terumi-san is cooking right now. Hi.
to football practice
Hey, Mbappe.
to even teaching kids English. Every aspect of life here is touched by the town's commitment to sustainability. Living with Terumi-san and her family, we got a glimpse of their daily routines and how they integrate zero waste practices into every aspect of their lives.
Here you have iruiro, like tissue, dirty things. And then over there you have plastic bottles, etc. And here you have paper, newspaper, cartons. So that's how it's done at home.
It's incredible to see how much effort goes into reducing waste. I never knew we could separate waste into 45 categories. That's insane, yet necessary. The sense of community and commitment here is truly inspiring.
何が
何があなたを幸せにしますか？
仲のいい友達とビール。
はい。私も。
私もさ、家族と呼べる人たちとのディナーですね。家族が出てこなかったから、彼のハッピーに。
そうか。
はい。
友達だから。
あ、そういうこと？
Yes.
久しぶり。
Family is friend.
あ、そうだね。
将来の夢は、何ですか？
もう将来来てるんちゃうんかなと思うよな。
家族の将来もできる。
10年後。
10年後。でもな、今日みたいな日が明日も続いていくことだと思ってしまうけどな。
そうね、私もやっぱり同じかもしれない。なんか、そうね、いろんなトピックをずっと話せたら楽しいと思う。そういう人たちが来てくれるようにカフェを頑張るのと、イノを頑張るのと、私たちのこの暮らしも頑張るのが目標かな。夢っていうか、また2人が帰ってきてくれること。
私たちは本当にまた戻りたい。カミカツに。
楽しかった？
楽しかった。テレミさんと拓也さんの家に戻りたい。
今度は綺麗にしとくから。
Kamikatsu has shown us that a sustainable lifestyle is achievable with dedication and community support. This town is a beacon of hope for a zero-waste future.